Welcome back, everybody. On last week's video, we installed this carpet, and on this week's video, we gotta finish up all the rest of the panels and paint the dash. So let's get to it. We went with the boring black thing. Why, you may ask? Because I don't really care. It looks way better. Just from basic little squirts of paint, you know? So this is what we've done with our panels right here. So all we got to do is install this. So let's throw this in. Read instructions anyways. I definitely don't read these, so don't need that. See how we were clearing the garage, had a bunch of paint cans from unknown projects. You like that, huh? Some beautiful blue metallic. Yeah, yep, beautiful. Look at that. So now we gotta wrap this side. We took off these military panels, same deal as in the back here, just there were these green sheets, and we wrapped this one and the other side, of course, with a diamond stitch, the leather imitation. So we're gonna put these back on, and then for the ceiling, we're gonna have to do some headliner, which need to order still. We're gonna build stuff here eventually, but for now we're just gonna leave it. We're gonna do the headliner and then make it look good, and then eventually I'll build like infotainment, so to say, later on. So yeah, let's put these clips in here and then wrap this part up. If you made it this far in the video, thanks for watching. If you haven't already, subscribe, like our content, and comment on it. And please do consider sharing it to your friends and family. Would really appreciate that. As you guys can see, it has really turned out awesome. It's probably nicer than most of the vehicles I own and have owned. If you haven't already, subscribe once again, and we'll see you guys next week.